Here we are again. All right, we got non-farm payroll first thing in the morning. Well, about 8:30, right? Non-farm payroll and unemployment. So, look, man, you know what? I can't see a scenario where this market doesn't tank because non-farm payrolls come in light again after last month, and then you got stagflation fears. That's not good for the market. Non-farm payroll comes in heavy, and we have interest rate fears. That's not good for the market. So, what's good for the market? I don't know. The only thing I could think of is that um, it comes in strong. Interest rates are anticipated to go up, but it's baked in because of last week's sell-off. But I'm not so convinced. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable, even with my spread positions. And I mean, there's no other catalyst. This is what everybody's waiting for. So I don't see a great scenario. I mean, no surprise. I don't know. The daily is in a bear flag. Bear flag, right? A bear flag. Very good, Dave. Daily's in a bear flag, right? And maybe a little consolidation today, but I guess we'll see. I mean, I wouldn't mind it coming back up. It's back inside this pennant. See, Anthony, this is the pennant. You see that line thing? This creates the pennant right there. This is the run up. Here's the line. Here's the line. That's my pennant. Looks like a pennant. One of my free folk friends questioned me on that, but I will get an email to him to clarify a little more. So below the 8, below the 20. I mean, I just feel like we're heading for that lower Keltner, that 627. It's a good number, man. It puts us in the range of the cloud. 607 might even be the number. I don't want to see all that. Yeah, I just don't want to see all that. And then we get a little vulnerability here around the 590s. Yet, we could tag this pennant right here. I mean, we're cool as long as we don't break this low of 531. I mean, we're still in an uptrend. This, personally, would be a nice low. I mean, it could come as low as this, but I like this low. I'm thinking while you're looking at me. I guess I should just move this quickly. 70 points. 600. 600 is a good low. A little lower than I want to go. It's close around here. I think we're tagging, at the very least, I think we're tagging 627 today. I hope that's all we're looking at. But that's what I'm looking at. Look at this sumbitch right here. Bank, bank. This is the 10-year. Look at that. This is like the Madonna song. No, that's Lucky Star. I'm thinking Shooting Star. 10 years down a little bit today, too. I mean, that could be a shooting star, which would be good because that would push the markets back up. And that's what I'm looking at. I think pre-market bonds. I'm looking it up right now. Dan, come on. Oh, why do you hurt me so? Gold, gas, bonds. The 10-year. It's down a touch. It's not down much. It's pretty much going to open up flat. I mean, but we're going to know it. I mean, that looks like it's building a nice shooting star, right? And the bonds and SPX are going to move first thing in the morning at 8:30. They're going to start moving, and you'll have an idea of what the day is going to look like based on the futures movement. So everybody watch the futures if you have that ability. So this could very well bring that bond yield down a little bit, make a shooting star, and then because we need a correction here, right? If you just look at this like a trading stock, we can use a little correction, maybe close this gap up, and then continue its march up. That would make good sense. I mean, that could lay out. If we look to the bond market for a hint of what's going to go on here, that could lay out well. If we leave it to the stock market, then I'm thinking bear flag, and we go down here. Now, bond market's a lot smarter than the stock market, so I'd be apt to go with the bond market move. So anyway, everything out there is waiting on non-farm payroll. Doesn't really pay to keep you guys and go through the list over here. We just got to see how non-farm payroll plays out, and then we have to have a nice weekend. So that being said, I'm going to take my leave. So everybody, just calm, cool, be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.